To become a QA automation engineer, you need a mix of software testing knowledge, programming ability, and automation tools experience. The role is about designing systems that automatically test software instead of relying only on manual testing, so the main skill is understanding both how software works and how it can break. First, you need a solid understanding of software testing fundamentals. This includes knowing how to design test cases, understanding different testing levels such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and end-to-end testing, and being familiar with concepts like regression testing, smoke testing, and test planning. A QA automation engineer must also understand bug tracking, test documentation, and how to analyze failures in a structured way. Programming is another essential skill. Most QA automation engineers write scripts or frameworks in languages such as Java, Python, JavaScript, or C#. The goal is not just writing small scripts, but building reusable automation frameworks, handling test data, and integrating tests with other systems. Because of this, understanding programming concepts such as object-oriented programming, functions, classes, error handling, and debugging is very important. You also need experience with automation tools and frameworks. For web testing, tools like Selenium or Playwright are widely used to simulate user actions in browsers. For API testing, tools and libraries such as REST clients or frameworks that send HTTP requests are common. Automation engineers often create test suites that run automatically whenever new code is deployed. Another key area is version control and collaboration tools. Most teams use Git to manage code changes, so knowing how to create branches, commit changes, review pull requests, and resolve merge conflicts is important. QA automation engineers usually work closely with developers, so being comfortable working in collaborative development environments is necessary. Knowledge of CI/CD pipelines is also highly valuable. Continuous integration systems automatically run tests when code changes are pushed to the repository. Tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI are commonly used. A QA automation engineer often configures automated tests to run in these pipelines so that issues are detected early. Understanding APIs, databases, and system architecture also helps a lot. Many applications rely heavily on APIs, so automation engineers frequently test endpoints, validate responses, and check data stored in databases. Basic SQL knowledge and familiarity with HTTP methods, status codes, and JSON responses are typically expected. In addition to technical skills, strong analytical thinking and attention to detail are important. Automation engineers must identify edge cases, anticipate failure scenarios, and design tests that cover complex user flows. Communication skills are also important because QA engineers report issues and explain test results.